Is it time to buy or sell Occidental stock? In this video, we will explore Occidental in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Occidental as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.20. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of negative 1.13%. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.28% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of approximately negative 2.5% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 9.65% to positive 5.97%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates an expected change of negative 27.73% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 36.25% and negative 21.42%. This suggests a price range between $30.64 and $37.77 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Occidental includes the headline: Occidental's stock price ended at $48.06 on Friday after gaining 0.376%. The Occidental stock price gained 0.376% on the last trading day, Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, rising from $47.88 to $48.06. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.24%, moving from a low of $48.01 to a high of $49.09. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, with a total gain of 3.02% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with 1 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 9 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $432,820,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $71.19, while the lowest price was $45.17. Currently, the price is 32.49%, or $23.13, below the 52-week high, and 45.18%, or $39.61, below the all-time high on the 7th of June, 2018, when the price reached $87.67. Occidental Petroleum, or OXY, has recently attracted positive attention due to Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway increasing its stake in the company with a purchase of over 763,000 shares. This infusion of confidence from a renowned investor can bolster OXY's stock price in the short term, driving interest among retail and institutional investors alike. As we approach OXY's fourth-quarter earnings report, expectations are mixed. The company is poised to benefit from a combination of domestic and international production contributions, along with strategic debt reduction. Efficient expense management is expected to further support its performance. However, there are concerns that earnings may decline given the current economic backdrop. With inflation pressures anticipated to persist, energy stocks like OXY could offer strong pricing power, potentially positioning them as robust long-term investments. The focus on sectors resilient to inflation and the ongoing development plans in the Permian Basin should allow OXY to maintain a foothold in the market. In the longer term, if OXY can successfully execute its production strategy and navigate the challenges of a volatile energy market, it could see sustained stock appreciation and enhanced investor confidence. Overall, the interplay between Buffett's backing and the company's operational strategies will be key determinants of OXY's stock trajectory in both the immediate and distant futures. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned OXY a sell grade with a downgrade action. On the same day, Piper Sandler also rated OXY with an underweight grade, accompanied by a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, Morgan Stanley provided OXY with an overweight grade and a hold action. Earlier on Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, Wolfe Research rated OXY as outperform with a hold action. Additionally, on Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, Piper Sandler rated OXY with a neutral grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned Occidental stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Occidental. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 3, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 3.64%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is also rising along with the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The Occidental stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Yet, at the same time, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $49.40. On the other hand, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $47.80. A breakout above the long-term average will issue another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average will generate an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that may intrigue you. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger shows a buy signal from 10 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 12 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 175 days ago. If you wish to discover more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Occidental. Occidental finds support from accumulated volume at $47.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.08 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 2.24%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.20%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Occidental, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate a lack of confidence in the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 18th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 67 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Occidental. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Occidental is at $48.48. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Occidental encounters its first support level at $47.84. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Occidental from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of February, 2025, Vicky A. Holub executed an insider purchase of 68,989 shares of common stock. On the same day, Vicky A. Holub also executed an insider sale of 68,646 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 12th of February, 2025, Vicky A. Holub made another insider purchase of 113,426 shares of common stock. On that day, Jeff F. Simmons conducted an insider purchase of 42,455 shares of common stock. On the same day, Jeff F. Simmons also executed an insider sale of 16,790 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been determined to be positive, with a ratio of 94.327. Overall, insiders purchased 18,418,279 shares and sold 576,719 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is negative, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Occidental stock a good buy? Occidental presents several negative indicators, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the forthcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 18th of February, we expect Occidental to open higher by 32.6 cents, starting at a price of $48.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before engaging in any buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.